Team, I'd like to discuss the importance of effective appointment booking. It's crucial to ensure that patients are scheduled at appropriate intervals and that our appointment slots are utilized efficiently.
That's a great point, Mihira. How can we improve our appointment booking process?
One way is to ensure that we're capturing accurate patient information, including their contact details and insurance information. This will help us schedule appointments efficiently and avoid any delays.
We'll make sure to double-check this information for every patient.
Another important factor is to consider the complexity of the appointment. For example, a routine checkup might require less time than a complex procedure. We need to allocate appropriate time slots for each type of appointment.
That's a good reminder, Mihira. We should also be mindful of any special requests or accommodations that patients may have.
Exactly. By considering all these factors, we can optimize our appointment scheduling and minimize patient wait times.
MIHIRA, the most important thing to understand right now is that the medication we're recommending is not just a treatment for what has already happened, but a shield to protect you from what could happen next. Starting blood thinners or aspirin immediately is crucial because they work to prevent new blood clots from forming and stop existing ones from growing larger, acting as a safeguard for your blood flow. Similarly, statins are recommended not simply to lower cholesterol, but to stabilize the plaque inside your arteries, making it less likely to rupture and cause another event. We are taking these steps urgently to create a calm and stable environment within your body, giving you the strongest defense against future complications. After you begin this path, your vigilance and awareness are just as important as the medication. Please pay close attention to any return of chest pain, a feeling of pressure or tightness, or any unexpected shortness of breath, as these are signs that we need to know about immediately. This journey is about building a new foundation for your health, and every step we take together is a step toward a stronger, safer tomorrow.